Hello, welcome back. So like I told you, this time I'm gonna make the Saja Boys cookies. So I made five round faces. And first I'm gonna make Roman. So I finished Romance. I don't really like his hair, but anyway, next let's make Baby. So baby is also finished. So the reason why his eye colors look a little bit weird is because I mixed mint and black color together. So I'm fixing Romance's hair right now, but this is not the one that I've been telling you, like fixing Romance's hair, because like at almost at the ending I'm gonna make his hair a bit different, but this is not the one that I've been telling you about. So now let's make Juno. So this is Juno. It's like black hair color and black eyes, which is like Juno, but somehow it doesn't really look like Juno. I don't know what's wrong, but I'm not so very pleased with Juno. But anyway, I'm trying to make mystery, but the problem is that I don't have gray color, so I don't know how I'm gonna make gray color, because like the white though is not perfectly white, because so if I mix like black and white it kind of becomes like brown color, and it's like supposed to be gray color, but it's not really like gray color. So I made gray color as similar as possible. There's a little bit of mint color because it doesn't get mixed perfectly, and my arms hurt quite a lot because of like mixing these colors. The dough is kind of hard, but anyway, I guess this is a bit similar to like gray color. So now let's make mystery. finished making the Saja boys. Romance looks a little bit like a woman than a man, but I like his hairstyle. I think it looks nice. And Baby, and I really like Abby. I think I made Abby's hair so well. But Mystery, he kind of looks like a baby. And Juno doesn't really look like Juno, but I guess they're okay. So I baked them and I'm just so pleased. Nothing got like broken or got like squished, so I baked them so well, so I'm very pleased about that. I think Romance's hair color looks so pretty. Like if it's baked, it looks like really pink color, so it looks very nice. So this is the end of the video, and I will come back with more interesting videos. So this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.